The next product is called the Meepo Hurricane, our second best pick for the top electric skateboard in 2024. The Meepo Hurricane features a T700 carbon fiber double drop deck with an integrated electronics compartment that can be accessed from the top. For those unfamiliar with T700 carbon fiber, it's a material commonly found in drone cameras, known for its resistance to cracking. The deck is broad and fully concave, offering no flex due to its robust carbon fiber construction. The board's surface is adorned with a stylish wave-like lines that enhance its sleek profile while contributing to a militaristic aesthetic. Hidden within this sturdy deck is a mammoth 725.8 WH battery, providing the Meepo Hurricane with an impressive range of 31 miles on all-terrain wheels and up to 44 miles on street wheels. This powerhouse of a board can reach a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour, much to the delight of its users. As for the electric speed controller, Meepo uses their signature Langley ESC, always ensuring that they're equipped with the most advanced version. The Hurricane comes installed with the Langley FOC 70 belt and features a handy push-to-start function. This board offers 4 speed modes and 4 braking modes, which can be independently adjusted. The first 2 modes are gentle, ideal for relaxed cruising, while the third and fourth modes offer a thrilling burst of power. A fantastic product.